So there I was, a dead lawyer. So you know it's a happy story. How much talent does it take to take a number of words that have nothing to do with each other, put them on a page in any particular order you want, and then give it to someone to read, and they read it and they say, what the hell does that mean? He made me put my hand on the Bible and swear to God at 9 years old that I wouldn't drink liquor anymore. He made me put my hand on the Bible and swear to God I wouldn't smoke anymore. Why, he even made me put my hand on the Bible and swear to God that I wouldn't, and this was confusing, swear to God. I said, hell yes. And the mayor, he got all excited, and he said, run for it, what do you got in your mind? He said, that's a bobcat. That is the fastest cat in the world, Mr. Clemens. You cannot outrun a bobcat. And this is when I explained to the mayor life and politics as I understand it. I turned to our short, pudgy mayor. And I said, I don't have to outrun the bobcat. Just you. Ladies and gentlemen, what Dubuque needs is new industry. I got up and said, hell, why don't you open up a plaque factory? It's a secret society, and these tricks were passed down from generation to generation. Only he knew. But I saw him one day, one of his best tricks. Just before the funeral would start, he'd turn just slightly, reach up and pull a hair out of his nose, which would cause him to cry. And people just assumed he was crying over the deceased. But tragedy hit one year. He'd go bald in his left nostril.